Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NifTools is a set of tools designed to work with the netimmerse/gamebryo file formats, commonly used in games like the Elder Scrolls series and others. The NifTools Blender plugin allows Blender to import and export NIF files. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to install the NifTools Blender plugin for Blender 2.8x and 2.9x. Step 1. Install Blender. 1. Download Blender. Go to the official Blender website, https://www.blender.org/download, and download the latest version of Blender 2.8 or 2.9. To install Blender, follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Step 2. Download NifTools Blender plugin. 1. Visit NifTools GitHub repository. The NifTools Blender plugin can be found on their GitHub page. Go to the NifTools GitHub releases, https://github.com/niftools/blender-plugin/releases. To download the plugin, find the latest release and download the NifTools Blender plugin.zip file. Step 3. Install the plugin in Blender. 1. Open Blender, start Blender. 2. Access Preferences, go to Edit Preferences. 3. Add-ons section, click on the Add-ons tab on the left panel. 4. Install the plugin. Click on the Install button at the top right. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the NifTools Blender plugin.zip file, select it, and click Install Add-on. 5. Enable the plugin. After installation, you will see the NifTools add-on in the list. Check the box to enable it. 6. Save Preferences. Click on Save Preferences at the bottom left to ensure the add-on loads each time you start Blender. Step 4. Using the NifTools plugin. After successfully installing the plugin, you can now use it to import and export NIF files. Importing a NIF file. 1. Open Blender, start a new project or open an existing one. 2. Import NIF. Go to File, Import NIF, .nif. Navigate to the folder containing your NIF file, select it, and click Import NIF. Exporting to NIF file. 1. Select the object, make sure you have the object you want to export selected. 2. Export NIF. Go to File, Export NIF, .nif. Choose your export options in the panel on the left. Navigate to the desired output folder, name your file, and click Export NIF. Step 5, Example Code, Scripting with the NifTools plugin, optional. If you want to use Python scripting to automate the import/export process, you can do so with Blender's scripting environment. Notes: make sure to replace the placeholder paths /path/to/your/file.nif and /path/to/your/exported_file.nif with actual file paths on your system. Ensure that you have the necessary rights to use and modify the NIF files you are working with, as they may be subject to copyright or licensing restrictions. Conclusion: you have now successfully installed the NifTools Blender plugin and can import/export NIF files in Blender 2.8x and 2.9x. This makes it easier to work with assets from games that utilize the netimmerse/gamebryo file format. Happy blending!